In this video, I'll introduce the new Beas Analytical Insights, a set of dashboards for Beas manufacturing using the Boyum app dashboards functionality.
The factory states allow you to very quickly understand the state of your factory at this moment. You have this first part of the dashboard that will display in red the resources that are interrupted, in green the resources that are in work, and in gray the resources that are at this moment stopped waiting for scheduling. Considering that being stopped waiting for scheduling can happen for a series of different reasons, this dashboard also helps you to understand why the resources are stopped and not working. This can happen, for example, because the scheduling is for the future, so I don't have anything that I needed to work at this moment. But it can also happen because I have orders that I should have already completed, I have orders overdue, but I don't have stock to produce. And this is why the machine is waiting for me to have stock to be able to produce. And then I see here a list of all the machines that are waiting because I am missing stock. And if I want to know the work orders affected by the missing stock, I can just click here and see a list summarizing the work orders that are stopped for missing stock at this moment. And apart from that, I can also understand how this can financially impact me by taking a look here on the items in production. Here I'll see all the fodder items that are in production at this moment, the number of work orders that I have for them and also for all the sub-assemblies related, and the amounts that we have in open sales orders for each one of the fodder items. This item, the PA277, I see it twice because I see both the item and also a sub-assembly. This is also why the value is displayed twice. But I see that I have an amount of 480,000 in open sales orders for this item that I cannot fulfill because I am missing materials to produce the orders that I have open for it. The same kind of analysis I can do with any other categories that I have inside the waiting group. Here on the waiting group, we can see orders that are scheduled for now and that we have stock, orders that are scheduled for now but we don't have stock. I don't see it here at this moment, but we also have that category. And regarding the overdue orders, we can also see the ones that we have with stock and without stock, and even the work orders that we have scheduled for the future. In the same way, if we want to know the orders that are being worked on the factory at this moment, we can just click here on the in work group and we'll see it. And we can also click on particular resources. If I want to know why this specific resource is not working because of missing stock, I can click here and see the orders that are now stopped on this resource for missing stock. The same if I want to know in which orders this resource is working. I can just click here and see the order that is being processed on this machine. And also the interruptions. If I want to know the orders that are stopped at this moment or affected by interruption, I can just click and see the list here. And apart from that, we have a list of all free resources that are resources without any scheduling. So you can have the full picture of your factory and how it is performing at this moment. This dashboard is also available on the web. The production managers and the production directors can easily access the information on the factory at this moment by coming onto the factory state and looking here which machines are down, which ones are working, which ones are stopped because of missing stock, and with all the interaction possibilities just by clicking on it and seeing the information.